everyone, and thanks for hanging out with me. Today I want to talk to you about my unusual reason why I want to own an electric car. I mean, there are many reasons why I want to drive an electric car and why driving an electric car is fun. I mean, there's of course eco-friendliness. I like that. Why pollute? Why, you know, it's just nice that it's very eco-friendly. I think it's for a lot of people. And then, of course, is the drive feel. No gear change. How amazing is this that you don't have to feel a gear change? Yes, there's automatic transmission, but it's just something different when there's no gear change at all, when you just go. And then engine sound, I mean, this car at 140 kilometers per hour, it's so loud and it's just annoying when you go on a highway for a long time, when you for hours have to hear that sound and the vibrations and everything. It's just not comfortable, not nice. And I know, yes, you can get fossil cars where it's more okay to hear that, acceptable, but still, it's just amazing that when you accelerate and don't hear anything, that you feel like you're in a spaceship. I said that a lot. It's really like a spaceship, and it feels like the future, and I like that. It's very, very nice. And then of course there's cornering, because of the low center of gravity with the heavy battery that's on the bottom. Cornering feels better. And then of course the easiness of charging at home. Yes, when you go on long distance, charging can be annoying and time consuming, but your daily drive, when you charge at home, you just unplug and go. You don't have to go to a gas station, especially for me, that we're at the border to Austria. In Austria, gas prices are around 30 cents cheaper than here, so of course I want to fuel up there, but it's a hassle to get there. So when I am around that area and then have to go there, blah, 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 it's annoying. It would be just way more comfortable to just unplug in the morning, drive, and plug in the evening, or even at work. It would be amazing. So those are the reasons why I like to drive electric cars. But why do I want to own one? And this is my main reason. It's freedom. And I know you're like, what? Yeah, it's the freedom because of driving costs. Yes, they're more expensive, electric cars, and driving costs are cheaper. That's great. But for me, it's freedom. When I got my license in '95, gas prices in Germany were a quarter what they are right now. So if we were driving somewhere, you didn't think, unless it was amazingly far away, but you didn't think about how much does it cost to go 30 kilometers and then 30 kilometers back. You didn't think of that. It was just, it's affordable, it's fine. But now 4 times more. So when I think about in this car, when I drive 100 kilometers, and yes, I'm not talking about tires and the value of the car goes down with more kilometers. It's just what you pay for driving. And with this car, it's €9. And when I drive with an electric car and charge at home, I calculated €3. So it's already a third. That's amazing. So if I want to go somewhere, hey, let's walk our dog there, let's go there. You don't think about it anymore, or I think less. It's fine. It's not, oh my god, this is expensive, let's not do that. And that's a great freedom for me. And on top of that, there are a lot of chargers that are for free. So in Prague, for example, where we go a lot, there are 3 free chargers and 50 kilowatt chargers, so power. So if at a grocery store, so why not go to the grocery store, look around, and charge for free, and then essentially the way home is for free, or maybe even you charge more than you needed to go there and back. It's possible that happens. And then the whole drive thing was for free. How cool is that? And that for me is freedom. It's the freedom of deciding and not being held back by price, being held hostage almost, that you cannot go there because it's too expensive. It just holds me back. It takes away the freedom from me. And yes, you could just pay and screw that, but I'm a cheapskate and want freedom at the same time. It just doesn't work. And with an electric car, I can see that. And on top of it is the fun driving, that it's fun, and the whole gadgetry. I mean, every electric car, you have cruise control, navigation, you have a lot of settings, preheating, a lot of things that men love. It's gadgets. You can press around and try different things and settings, and woo, it's just awesome. So all of this together, but the main reason why I want to own one is freedom because of low cost driving. Just my thing. So let me know what is your reason? Why are you interested in an electric car? Why do you want to own an electric car? Do you even want to own an electric car? Write in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day and take care. Bye.